Hi, I'm Dr. William Davis, author of Wheat Belly. You may not know this, but I'm also author of another book, Track Your Plaque, and founder of the online program for heart health by the same name, TrackYourPlaque.com. If you're interested in a more in-depth conversation about health, then I invite you to take a look at TrackYourPlaque.com. There we talk about how to use nutrition to better control blood sugars, how to use nutritional supplements to gain better control over overall health as well as heart health, how to use fish oil, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, magnesium, why thyroid health is so important for both overall health and for heart health. We talk about a whole range of topics, all relevant to self-empowerment in health, including heart health. So if you're interested, please click on the links on this page, and it will take you to the page to get more information on the TrackYourPlaque.com website. Hope to see you there.